All right. What up, guys? This is Mark Piesek of Piesek Photography here in Maui. I'm with the lovely
Senna Tara
and
Renee Ryan.
okay, we're doing body tape on the beach in Maui. 2 lights, 1 light. It's hot as shit out here. Okay, so we gotta keep the ladies cool. Apply the tape, do as fast as possible, and make it look dope. So stay tuned. We're having fun.
This, correct? Grading here,
Uh-huh.
stick to that.
Okay,
Yes.
perfect. Yep.
Oh, I see.
It's silver.
All
Just
right.
meshing together. She ready? You ready?
Look at her. Is she ready?
Yeah. Gotta follow Steve. What's your IG?
Nakamura.photo with an F.
All right.
Or still a shooter photo for videos because we're in the
He's the man to go to in Kauai. The ladies right there, shooting down fast. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Put both your hands on your cheek. Kind of softly. Hit the elbows. Good. Hands down to the nice. Senna, how did you go?
Oh, phenomenal.
As you can see,
My
nothing.
favorite by far, honestly.
Really?
You're my favorite by far. This whole thing, yeah. Thank you.
See, she's okay as a model.
Artwork with this.
Didn't fall off. That's the craziest part.
I know.
So, what did we learn today? 1 light is only needed for outside environments, especially if it's sunny. Use nature to your advantage. Where's her IG?
Senna Tara.
Follow her. Awesome model, awesome artist. She likes doing all kinds of different shoots. You look at her content, she is open to almost all the coolest shit, dopest shit out there, okay? So hit her up, shoot with her, she's awesome. If you like what you saw today, follow, subscribe, comment. Thanks a lot, guys.